In 2005, 1 out of 22 engineers used some type of simulation software. In 2015, 1 out of 6 engineers did. Nowadays, with the evolution of Industry 4.0, in the near future, every single engineer will use simulation technology. After almost 30 years of experience implementing ANSYS software all around Mexico and Central America, Grupo Ssc has been behind product and process development in all types of industries, increasing Mexico's competitiveness at international levels. In the last 15 years, many global R&D centers have taken advantage of the ecosystem we have helped develop. Very early, Grupo Ssc identified the need to have more and better experts in design and simulation. With an industrial economy based on manufacturing and production, engineering academic programs were not offering it. With this in mind, Grupo Ssc created Instituto San Miguelense to prepare the new generations of expert engineers in simulation technology with ANSYS as main software platform in a new mechanical engineering program in Mexico. Against all odds, Instituto San Miguelense was born 15 years ago and now includes mechanical engineering, software development engineering, business management, visual and communication design, and the best high school in the region, which offers the IB program. Now, even our high school students learn about simulation by using ANSYS. Instituto San Miguelense also has gone beyond our bachelor degree students. Throughout our continuous learning education programs, we also provide training and certification to professors and students from many other universities in Latin America.
My name is Pablo Alonso Puello. I am from San Miguel de Allende. I am 27 years old. And I studied mechanical engineering at Instituto San Miguelense. I got a scholarship from them and I studied since high school until I graduated from college. I also got 2 engineering diplomas from them and some other courses in ANSYS FEA techniques. I have liked engineering since I was a kid. I loved math, I loved physics, I loved all that kind of topics. I started learning programming by myself when I was a teenager. And yeah, I just like to solve problems on daily life. I work for General Electric Renewable Energy. My main job, or the core of my job, is the designing of the tower structures for wind turbines. And we use the ANSYS tools for modal analysis, linear static structural analysis, and some buckling analysis also for the wind towers. It was easy having guidance from our teachers working at Grupo, but I don't think every student has the same possibility, right? Yeah, it's much better having the tools available at your disposal, right? Also, the learning curve for softwares like ANSYS is very big. It's not easy to become an expert. So having a lot of years of experience using the software at the same time that you're learning the engineering subjects is a much better way of being an expert, becoming an expert. You can end up specializing in any field of simulation, right? You can learn from computational fluid dynamics to finite elements. You learn about composite materials. I don't know, all the fields of engineering are there. I believe students are the future of the country and the world, and if they know how to use better tools, they will improve much more in our environment.
With this in mind, Grupo Ssc created Instituto San Miguelense to introduce the new generation of professionals in engineering and business. Our educational programs are based on the latest technologies used in the real world. Software as ANSYS, CATIA, Oracle, Cisco, SAP, and other platforms are learned by our students. Technology, and more importantly, collaboration with the industry are the key elements that separate Instituto San Miguelense from the rest. Today, these kids thrive all over the world in companies such as GE, Bosch, Continental, Whirlpool, Pemex, to name a few. Many of these dreams wouldn't be possible without the sponsorship program from Grupo Ssc to Instituto San Miguelense. Since it was created 15 years ago, more than 50% of the students are now active in the tech development in Mexico. San Miguelense scholarship programs has given more than 3,000 scholarships to more than 600 students. The future is bright. Online education is another great opportunity to reach more young students around the world. That is why we offer courses and diplomas through our own app, Mezcal, available for all types of mobile devices. This is how Grupo Ssc is promoting talent through education, with its own institutional philosophy to increase society wellness through tech development. We mark the difference in the world from San Miguel de Allende.
I definitely think that if more students had the kind of support that I had, we would change the world.